Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can you predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here you can see that I'm seeing a engulfing pattern. So because of this engulfing pattern, the market will go up and it will close as a bullish candlestick for sure. So right now I will try to take my trades only on patterns. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so I'm on my trade here. So again I can go with the buyers from this point because the hammer is also known as a pattern in two situations. So here you can see that it is not a good hammer, but it will work here because I'm seeing a strong rejection and the sellers are here. So because of this area there is a gap, the candle will go up and it will close above our entry point. Let's see what happens here. Okay, I am pretty much confident that the candle will close above my entry point because my entry point is very perfect entry point. So let's see what happens. Okay, as I told you that the candle will go up and it went up from this point. So let's analyze the market for a different pair. So from this point I can from this point I can go with the buyers and the market will close as a bullish for sure because this candle is a very strong candle and I'm not seeing any kind of possibility. Okay, the candle has to go up and it has to close as a bullish candlestick. You can see the candle is going up and it will close as a bullish candlestick for sure. So this is how we can take trades on a continuous basis. Okay, so let me open another pair. Okay, so let's analyze the market here. Okay, I can go with a down trade here. You can see here, let me show you, this candle is like a dark cloud pattern and it made a new low, so it means that sellers are below from this point. So because of this the candle is going down and it will close as a bearish candlestick for sure. You can see here it will close as a bearish candlestick and candle is going down and down from this point. So here I also won my trade. So now I want to see. Okay, so let's see what happens here. If I got a 5-second confirmation I can go with the buyers from this point. Let's see what happens. I am very much confident that the candle will go up and it will close above my entry point for sure. But you can see here such a strong momentum and only a single candle. But now you can see such a strong momentum but few bearish candles. So the candle will go up and it will close above my entry point for sure, and I will win this trade also. Let me shift my candlestick to 1 minute, and you can see here I am also winning my trade. So this is the way that how you can predict each and every candlestick, and you can see here I'm predicting and I'm opening every pair, and I took my trade and I won all of them. So this is the way to take the trades, by using the pattern, by using the continuation. So, and the trading is not that much hard. We make the trading hard because of our what we can say, because of our emotions, because of our wrong assessment, so wrong analysis. So this is easy. You can predict each and every candlestick. Okay, so this is how we can predict each and every candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So last night I took a session, and I told my friend that we all need to focus on the patterns in the very beginning. So by following and understanding the patterns, the trading becomes very easy. And here you saw that I took my trades on the basis of, also on the basis of patterns. I told you that this is the pattern, next candle went down, I took my trade here. I took my trade here by using the buyer's area. So here I also won my trade here. So let me check where I took my trades. Okay, so here I took my trade also in this area. Let me show you. Here I took my trade. You can see at least one candle went up, and I won my trade here because there was a gap with. So here I also won my trade here, because you can see here I am seeing a pattern, a kind of inside bar. So at least I got one candlestick and I won my trade here. Okay, so here I took my trades in an up direction because there was a gap, and this candle worked as a sign of continuation here. So because of that I won my trade here. But after this area the candle went down, because this candle is now working as a sign of continuation, a sign of reversal. So okay, euro gbp, and I also took my trade here on the basis of, you can see here, on the basis of engulfing pattern. You can see here this is the engulfing pattern. Because of the engulfing pattern I took my trade and I won my trade here also. So here you can see that I took my trade in up direction because this candle is working here as a sign of continuation. So this is how we can predict the candlestick on the basis of patterns and continuation. So stay blessed, you all have a blessed Sunday ahead, and take care you all. So we will meet again with a new video, with something new in that video you will find. So let's hope for the best. Stay blessed you all, and if you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe, because this is our mission, that we need to give the easiest knowledge about trading to everyone, and I need each and everyone to get the profit, because the profit is not going from my pocket. This will be your profit, and you will earn that profit by yourself. So my vision is very much clear. So stay blessed you all, take care, bye.